Story Nest.
Toby the turtle, with his mossy green shell and perpetually curious eyes, ambled slowly towards the shimmering rock pools nestled amongst the jagged cliffs. Lila the ladybug, her bright red shell dotted with 7 perfect black spots, zipped excitedly ahead, her delicate wings a blur of motion against the salty sea air. "Hurry, Toby! Hurry!" Lila called back, her voice like a tiny bell. "The tide is going out, and all sorts of treasures will be revealed." Toby chuckled, a low rumbling sound in his throat. "Patience, little friend," he replied, his gaze fixed on a tiny crab scuttling sideways across a sun-warmed rock. "The best discoveries are often found by those who take their time." Lila buzzed impatiently around a pool already exposed by the receding water. She peered into its depths, her antenna twitching. "Oh, look, Toby!" she exclaimed, pointing with a tiny leg. "A tiny starfish, and some shiny pebbles." Toby slowly reached the edge of the pool and looked in. The starfish was indeed small, and the pebbles were merely ordinary stones smoothed by the waves. Further along the shore, Toby noticed a larger pool, still partially covered by the receding tide. He could see colorful seaweed swaying gently beneath the surface, and something larger lurking in the shadows. "Let's wait for this one, Lila," he suggested quietly, settling down on a flat rock nearby. Lila, though still eager, decided to trust her friend's wisdom and landed on a blade of seagrass, watching with anticipation. Slowly but surely, the water retreated, revealing a breathtaking miniature world. A vibrant anemone with waving tentacles sat nestled amongst a cluster of pearly shells. Tiny brightly colored fish darted in and out of the swaying seaweed, and in the center of it all, a magnificent conch shell lay gleaming in the sunlight. "Oh, Toby," Lila whispered, her voice filled with awe. "It's beautiful!" Toby smiled, a gentle and knowing smile. "Indeed it is, little friend. Patience often rewards us with the most wonderful sights."